Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding Hive blockchain, which has two ticker symbols. If you are trading in Nasdaq, the ticker symbol is HVBT, and if you are trading in Canadian exchange, then the ticker symbol is hive.vn. So you can trade anywhere, because previously it was mostly a Canadian stock. Now they are also listed on Nasdaq, so you can also trade HVBT. So in this particular video, I will talk about the price action, what it is happening, and should you invest in or you should not invest. So anyway, it's up to you, but I wanted to make this video because I think it is very interesting, considering that the cryptocurrencies are again going up and this thing replicates cryptocurrency prices. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to like button. Do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my YouTube community, where I post a lot of things for the members with support, resistance, so trade ideas, pre-market during the day, even after hours, lots of pre-market ideas, so you know when to get in, when to get out. And I talk about so many different stocks, and we have been making money almost every day. Last Friday was SPRT, it was up 30%. Excellent day. We also talk a lot about cryptocurrency, their support, resistance, and everything. So anyway, so this video is about Hive, so let's go back to Hive, but don't forget to give it a try. So first of all, what is Hive? So this is powering the future of blockchain computing. If you want, you can go to hiveblockchain.com and you can see the video. They have a nice video here. I like the video. So it shows some nice pictures, some cold country where the heating is less required, because the crypto miners, they produce a lot of heat. So most of their the locations are in Canada, Sweden, Iceland, so in cold places. Anyway, I'm not going to show the video. If you want, you can go and watch the video. So why Hive? So they are the first mover advantage they have, because this is the first publicly traded blockchain infrastructure company that bridges blockchain and cryptocurrencies to traditional capital market. Also, it talks about the low cost operators, as I mentioned, because they operate in Canada, Sweden, and Iceland, with access to low cost green and renewable energy. This is what they are saying. This is their website, not my website. Also, if you go to their investor site, they also have a presentation. You can go through the presentation. It's a long presentation, 58 page. I'm not going to talk about this, but I like this picture because that was produced, I think, end of 2020, and you see that the mining capacity it is comparing, and you see Mara, Riot, BTBT, then we have Hive. The blue line indicates future deliveries end of 2021. So where Mara has the highest number of future deliveries, then we have Riot, then we have Hive. BTBT is not showing anything, but again, after the presentation, maybe news has came, and news have come, and maybe things have changed. But again, I'm just showing you their presentation. So the important thing is, does Hive move in line with Ethereum and Bitcoin? So I'm showing you a chart just to show you how things move. So this is a 3-month chart. So first one, that at the top, this is Mara, the purple line. The next black line is Hive. Then the next one, the orange one, is Bitcoin, and the last one is Ethereum. And you can see in last 3 months they move in the same direction, meaning that whenever the Bitcoin and Ethereum moves, Mara and Hive, they all move in the same direction. So which is really good to see that, okay, they are following the cryptocurrency prices. But if I go now, let's say to a 6 month, you will see more variation, because we know what happened. Ethereum spiked a lot. We know it spiked more than the BTC, so it came. But anyway, this is the overall trend. Now let's go back to Hive. So this is the hive.vn, which is the Canadian version. So you can see the support resistance here. The other one is HVBT. Again, this is in US dollar. So as the chart is here, I'm going to talk about it. Then I will go back to HVBT, so we know what support and resistance we should be looking at. So first of all, this is the one we talked about in this channel when it was around 3.5. It went from 3.5 to 7.2. A lot of money was made. Then it came down. But look here. When the cryptocurrency winter came, this thing came and found the floor around 2.5. It went 2.5 for some long, but it was a good swing trade opportunity, because it was moving between 2.5 and let's say 3.4, 3.5. It's a good swing trade. So again, last time it bounced from 2.5 and now it is going up. And how far it can go, I think this is the place it will go, because it recently hit 4.3 and now it is coming down again. It could be another swing trade opportunity between 3.4 and 4.3, this area. But ultimately, if things are going good, this thing can go all the way to 5.5. But there is some caution because they have an earning date, so I'll talk about this later also. Now HVBT, I'll draw the same line, same chart here, because I think this is also important. But before that, I want to show you what is happening in the cryptocurrency market, because this is Ethereum. You can see that Ethereum came back almost, because it was around $4,200, came back to 1800, more than 50% correction. Now it has been going up, and currently it is trying to hit an important resistance of 3,300, and if it can break, it might come back to 2,800, 2,900, but again, this can give another run. If I look at BTC, let's look at BTC. I think the same thing. BTC was going up, then came down again, trying to push up. Now the important resistance I think it is having is right at 48,425, because you see it was a previous support, then it has become a resistance. So it might come back again, or it can push again. Look at the daily RSI. It is really extended. It has been running from 30,000, it went to 48,000. So a lot of movement happened. It needs to cool a little bit, maybe another pullback, then it will run again. So anyway, so once you look at the cryptocurrency market, you will know what's happening with your crypto miner stock as well. If you look at their recent news, like HVBTF, that was the previous penny stock. Right now they get rid of the F, and now it is just on Nasdaq. So you can see the recent news on June 18 that it has expanded its growth strategy in Sweden by sourcing more green energy. So that was the news. And also on June 29th, the news came that it was listed from July 1st, it was listed on Nasdaq. So all news. One important thing I want to mention here, that the very recent PR that came, I think the last day or last week, that they have added 1800 miners. So these 1800 miners are the first of our 2022 mining purchase program, and will be delivered in 6 equal tranches of 300 miners, commencing in January 22 through June 2022. So they are having more miners. So starting from January, they will have more miners. So definitely their capacity will go up. Also, their earnings supposed to come in their last PR. They talked about their earning, and last time they said it will be on or before August 13th or August 12th. It was August 12th. Now they change, and now they are saying it will be on or before August 26th. Also, it says it expects, so nothing is guaranteed. So sometime if earning is delayed, I'm always a little bit worried what is happening. Yeah, they operate in many different regions, so they're saying that there is some logistic issues getting everything and presenting. But again, this is not a new company, so whenever there is a push for a late submission, there is always something to worry about. But anyway, I'm not saying I'm bearish, but keep that in mind, because in the event the earning is bad or anything, this thing can come down. Now for the US market, let's look at the US price. The only problem here is because it came on July 1st, so the data I can see only for July. It's not a lot of data, so I want to use the ticker which is for the penny stock, so HVBT. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add F here. It's not gonna show here. Let me see. It was a penny, and that ticker is not here anymore. That's the problem, right? Okay, so why not we use this, because the chart is the same, right? The value will be different, the currency will be different, but the pattern is the same. So if you look at the downtrend here, you see that was the clear downtrend. It was making lower highs. At one point it said enough is enough. That was the important resistance, 3.35. It broke through, and nice gain from 3.35. It went all the way to 4.3, which is like 28% gain. So that's a lot of gain, right? Now if Bitcoin, Ethereum is coming, it might have a pullback again, or if their earning is bad, something, it might come back to 3.4 again. Who knows? Because this thing I have been holding, my average is I think around 4.2 or 4.3, because I sold around 7, then when it came around 4.2, I thought okay, it came down a lot, so let's purchase. I think I purchased around 4.3. Then I have been holding. I did not average down because I was so busy with other plays. But again, if it goes up, it's good, right? Because if you look at Mara, Riot, those are already very expensive. So compared to that, Hive is not expensive. Also they are having 1800 more miners. Same thing, they have their more feature delivery number, the graph I showed, so they have something. So anyway, if you are really long-term investor, you can definitely consider this. You spend some time on their website and know more about this. You see last time Ethereum went up, this one went up. Anyway, so this is the overall trend, right? So these are the important number in Canadian, keep that in mind. So 2.6, 3.35, 4.3, 5.5 and 7.25. so this is the hourly chart. Look at the daily chart, because I also love to see the RSI. So the RSI went to 70, came down, makes sense. The buying pressure for the MACD, you can see it has been curling down, so there could be a pullback. As long the Ethereum Bitcoin will come back, this thing can pull back. But look at the chart now. I think it came down a lot, had a nice consolidation. Now this thing is going up. If you are really long, you can play for 2.6, but not sure when it will come back to 2.6, but definitely 3.35 could be area. Also look for this important resistance around 4.3, because if this is broken, this thing will run again. Anyway, this thing, for me personally, I'm still not decided, should I go long with this or should I just do a swing trade. Still I'm not sure. I have to see their earning, but anyway, still there is more upside. I think from 4.3 it can go to 5.5. it will be nice opportunity for any of you thinking about swing trade, or just wait for the deep to 3.4. anyway, these are my thinkings only. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you buy or sell any stock, and do trading at your own risk. And if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my YouTube community for daily trade ideas, so that we can all make money. So let's make money together. Thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.